Welcome to the Chic Show, on trend, on demand, and on a budget. I'd like to thank Zana, Shelly, and Connie for hosting today's video. Be sure and check out their channels in the description box as well as the playlist. What Would You Make is an open playlist, so if you see anything that you like, be sure and hit that thumbs up button. Let's start with the Gingerbread Cabin. These are Lincoln logs I found at a thrift store, and I'm going to simply build a house with only a door. There were no doors, windows, or a roof with this set, but that's okay, we're going to make our own. I am using hot glue to secure all the logs together. I rarely measure anything. I would rather use a pattern, so I'm using a piece of paper to make a pattern for my rooftop. I'm then tracing my pattern onto one of these project boards from Dollar Tree. Once I have it cut out, I'm deciding where the middle is so that I can make a good fold. Now we need a pattern for the rest of the roof. I am going to cut some little notches that match up with the logs. Once I have the notches cut in, I'm going to glue the pieces together. Originally, I wanted my house top to be the cardboard color to kind of match the logs, but then I decided later to paint it white. So it would have been easier to flip it the other way and keep it white to begin with. And because I did not keep it white, I am having to go in with some paint, so you would definitely save a step just to keep it the other way. I am painting the inside of the roof with Cinnamon by Folk Art. The rooftop I'm painting with Waverly White. It did take 2 coats for both of these paints. Now I'm going in with some puff paint in between the logs to make it look like icing or snow or whatever holds log cabins together. I am using a couple of different sizes of dot stickers from Dollar Tree. I started out painting these in a pattern and then lost track of what I was doing. But now I'm adding a string of beads. I painted every other one red. These larger stickers I'm going to paint red, white, and green and add them to the roof. Again, this did take a couple of coats of paint to cover. Once they were dry, I simply added them to the roof, and I did have to go back and touch up that white a little bit more. Now back to these smaller stickers. I'm going to be placing a row of those along the front edge of the house. Now to embellish the front of the house, I'm using a Dollar Tree straw and one of the red styrofoam balls from the bowl filler. Since there was no door with this set of Lincoln logs, I'm using one of these pieces of chocolate from the toy section in Dollar Tree. And I have added one of these candy bows to the front of it. And then it's ready to glue on. The cinnamon color paint is an exact match for the logs. Now I'm going to embellish the roof just a little bit more with one of these peppermint ornaments from Hobby Lobby. Every gingerbread house needs some gingerbread people, so I'm adding these that I got from the miniature ornament section at Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree does have larger gingerbread people. I think this is such a cute little cabin and a new twist on gingerbread houses. Project number 2 is a wooden nutcracker. This nutcracker is from Dollar Tree for $3, and I'm simply going to use some watered down antique wax to stain the entire nutcracker. Once it's dry, you'll be able to tell how light or dark it is, so you can always go over it again if need be. There were a few places that didn't take the stain due to some kind of glue maybe that was used on those parts. So I'm taking a little bit of cinnamon folk art paint and I'm going to fill those spots in. I love the rustic feel to this vignette. DIY number 3 is a modern deer head wall plaque. This is from the wood pile at Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99, but I did get it 40% off. I'm going to give it a coat of Waverly chalk paint in ink. I painted around all the edges first, then I painted the front part of the reindeer, and then went back with a smaller brush to do the nooks and crannies. Now I'm using some of Hobby Lobby's paper flowers from the wedding section that I did get on sale, and I'm adding those to the top of the reindeer. This gold vine is also from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use it to curl all around the antlers. Here's a look at it hanging between my windows in our family room. My video today is part of a playlist hosted by OK at Home DIY, Repurposed My Way, and Connie's Creative Creations. Be sure and check out their channels listed in the description box as well as the playlist. And if you see anything you enjoyed today, be sure and hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button. It really does help me. Thanks so much. Bye now.